The journey begins at the farm, where the boars are carefully raised on a specialized, high-quality diet.
That's 20 boars through Gate B.
Records updated and synced. We are good to proceed.
Scan complete. Tag number 457.
Confirmed. Vitals look good. Health and quality are undergo rigorous veterinary inspections.
Steady now. Bring it down slow. All right, hold it there. Easy.
Temperature reading 102.1.
Confirmed. Data logged.
All right, big guy, let's go. Step right up. Easy, easy. Good boy.
Bring it up slowly. Okay, it's level. Push it in.
Uncles. Upon arrival at the state-of-the-art facility, the boars are thoroughly inspected and sanitized. This step is
Easy now. Keep it steady. Okay, clear on the left side.
The data shows inflammation markers are high in this region.
We should prioritize this sample for further testing. The meat processing line is a model of industrial efficiency and sterile conditions. Carcasses are rapidly chilled.
The meat moves swiftly into the primary cutting area. Large teams of processors in full protective gear.
For products like sausages, the selected cuts are fed through heavy-duty grinders. The resulting minced meat is then moved to
boards. The final mix is extruded and stuffed into casings with industrial precision. These raw sausages then begin.
After smoking, the finished sausages are inspected and packaged. Meanwhile, separate premium cuts are prepared for
This specialized process involves automated, precise application of large-grain sea salt to the meat's surface. The cuts are then transferred to immense, climate-controlled aging rooms, where they will hang for up to 90 days or more, allowing them
Move it. Get down the chute. Push that one through. All right, open the gate. All right, open the gate.